Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, July 31. Jamaica is to receive a grant funding of 180 million RMB, or approximately 3.5 million Jamaican dollars, from China to assist with border security and airport operations. The partnership will be carried out under the Agreement on Economic and Technical Cooperation, which was signed on Tuesday by both countries. Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith says CAT scan machines will be purchased and installed at the island's airports.
This will achieve or help to achieve the overall goal of increasing passenger and cargo traffic at our international airports by some 50%, while reducing the risk from luggage traveling through the airport by 90%. Importantly, these scanners will ensure that we maintain international security standards, reducing the risk of non-detection of contraband and, of course, counter tax avoidance.
Our cooperation will bring more fruitful outcome and benefiting the two peoples.
The grant support will also facilitate the completion of the Foreign Affairs Ministry's new headquarters in downtown Kingston. 3 major energy efficiency intervention projects totaling $136 million have been completed at the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information's head office in Kingston. The project, which started in 2015, included the retrofitting of the 3 remaining floors on Building 1 and all of Building 2. The annex building was also upgraded and now boasts a 173-ton energy-efficient air conditioning system. This is expected to reduce the ministry's electricity consumption by 34%. Energy Minister Favour Williams says the modifications that were implemented through the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica will increase productivity by enhancing staff well-being and the general work environment.
Interventions such as these are directly in line with the Government of Jamaica's strategy for delivering sustainable economic growth, which is underpinned by the drive to secure affordable and reliable energy supplies for our country.
In 2015, the Education Ministry received $32 million in electrical distribution upgrades with the installation of a 78-ton energy-efficient air conditioning system on 2 floors of Building 1. And in 2016, $13 million was spent to implement 7,500 square feet of solar-controlled film application on windows in the ministry. And in 2016, $13 million was spent to implement 7,500 square feet of solar-controlled film application on windows at the ministry. 600 unattached youth are to benefit from the rollout of the second phase of the Technology Advancement Program, TAP. The program is an initiative of the Universal Service Fund and targets 18 to 35-year-olds. It provides them with practical training in information and communications technology, as well as job readiness skills. At Monday's launch, Portfolio Minister Favour Williams said TAP would be partnering with the HOPE program to get young people actively participating in the digital society.
As we make this transition, it is imperative that all our people are equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge to adapt to whatever digital future lies ahead.
Interested unattached youth will be offered a stipend and given 3 months training from the Caribbean Maritime University. Successful applicants will also receive 9 months on-the-job experience. Applications for the TAP program may be accessed through the Universal Service Fund or the HOPE program. The creation of a Safety and Security Division at the Tourism Ministry is among new measures being implemented to strengthen Destination Jamaica. A new manual on tourism ethics for Jamaica will also be developed to guide engagements between visitors and workers in the industry. The manual should be ready by the start of the winter tourist season in December. These destination assurance measures were revealed by Portfolio Minister Edmund Bartlett at a press conference on Monday.
Jamaica has to remain a destination that is sought after. Jamaica has to remain what I call an opinionated destination. And everybody who comes here must feel it and must recognize that this is their place. This is where they ought to be comfortable and happy.
Local and international security strategist Major Dave Walker has been appointed to head the Safety and Security Division, which is based at the Tourism Product Development Company, TPDCO. These measures follow a recently conducted security audit of the tourism sector. The audit was done following reports by visitors regarding safety issues at a few resorts. And finally, The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, says it is awaiting laboratory analysis to determine the cause of a reddish-pink discoloration of the Outram River in St. Mary. Even as those tests are being done, NEPA says it continues to partner with the St. Mary Municipal Corporation and the Water Resources Authority should corrective measures become necessary. NEPA's intervention follows the recent discoloration and a pungent odor coming from the river which runs through the parish capital. A team from NEPA, the St. Mary Municipal Corporation, and the St. Mary Health Department carried out a recent site visit. The team came to a tentative conclusion that the strong odor was due to an increase in hydrogen sulfide, while the reddish-pink color was caused by an algal bloom known as red tide. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.